My boy, are you feeling like your heart just got smashed into a million pieces? Are you longing for the presence of the girl who got away? As a man, you must move forward, not backwards. It's not wise to have your mind fixated on one girl, but I understand, the heart wants what it wants. It's much better to move on in life, but if you're sure she is the one you want, then I'm going to show you how to get her to come crawling back to you, even though it seems impossible right now. Listen up. This advice is the key to your love life's comeback. These talks will help you to step up your game, become a boss, and take your relationships to new heights. The first step to get her to come crawling back to you is to cut off contact with her immediately. That means no messages. I don't care if you found out someone put a hit out on her. No messages. Do not be blowing up her phone. You can't beg or plead. Begging is the worst thing you can ever do. No man should ever beg for the attention of anybody. It makes no sense to be one of the other losers in her phone dying for her attention. Don't try to control her, and most importantly, respect her boundaries. Actually, most importantly, set some proper boundaries for yourself and have some self-respect. The next huge mistake I see guys make that is an instant turnoff for girls is trying to figure out who she's with, where she's at, or what she is doing. You must give her some space. Let her come begging when she feels your absence. Then decide if it's even worth having this person back in your life. Some girls are genuinely toxic, and your life will improve in their absence. This is the biggest key to making her come crawling back. Girls can have a million guys dying for their attention, but they're just wired to desire the attention of the one who's missing. Go silent, and she'll go crazy for you. This is assuming your previous actions haven't completely ruined the attraction yet. Thirdly, my boy, if your goal is to make her crave your presence, then trust me, there is no point in wasting your money on trying to buy her affection with any kind of gift. Gifts are nothing but another form of begging. You must acknowledge weak behavior like that within yourself and cut it out. Focus on improving your life and your presence in relationships. Let her see that your presence is the real gift, and that you're a valuable asset worth fighting for. Being great yourself as a person will make it so you attract women into your life much more easily, and that will help you attract the right girl, whether it's your ex or someone so much better. Sometimes you lose a girl, and a much better one comes into your life immediately. The fourth crucial move is to avoid asking your guy friends, who know nothing about girls, or your female friends for advice. Most of the time, they give you answers that they know won't hurt your feelings. It's important to seek advice from someone who actually understands the dynamics of relationships and has a track record of success in their own love life. Don't rely on advice from well-meaning friends who may not have the best judgment when it comes to matters of the heart. Consider seeking guidance from a professional dating coach or therapist who can offer you personalized advice and support. They can help you identify any problematic patterns in your behavior and provide you with strategies to overcome them, leading you towards a successful outcome in your pursuit to get your ex to come crawling back. Fifth, my boy, forget trying to make her jealous. It's more important to make yourself feel loved, calm your energy, and break the unhelpful patterns that have you focused on your ex. Instead of engaging in petty and immature behavior, focus on growing and changing for the better. As humans, we owe it to the earth to be the best version of ourselves. When we become that version, we can do immense good, and we can attract anything we desire into our lives, whether it's money, power, or love. Let her see the new and improved you, and she'll be begging you to take her back. Think of it like being an elite athlete. You need all the right pieces of training to make it as a legend, and focusing on yourself instead of on her, even though that's counterintuitive, is what you need to do to win her back. Sixth, remember, it's not just about winning her approval. It's about genuinely improving yourself as a person, or the energy comes off weird. You should have the skills to pick up girls, increase their attraction, sleep with them, and maintain long-lasting relationships with them on demand, so it doesn't become a challenge, and you gain an abundance mindset. Trust me, son, girls are not hard to sleep with whatsoever when you know what you're doing. There are skills you can very easily develop to make them fall at your feet. The seventh key is to stop acting like a victim. Don't sit around moping in a bathrobe like some corny rom-com. Taking care of your own health, mentally, spiritually, and physically, is key in attracting the right people into your life, and also the key to get her to come crawling back to you. Don't neglect your own well-being. Exercise regularly, meditate, and take care of your mental health. Now, of course, this is a lot easier said than done, and right now you're probably feeling pretty miserable. Becoming the best version of yourself is the last thing you want to do. But it's moments like this that define you. Are you destined for mediocrity? I didn't think so. When you're feeling your best, it will show in your confidence and positive attitude, making you even more attractive to your ex and any other girl you meet. If you cut contact and do the work on becoming the best version of yourself, then it's almost guaranteed she's going to reach out to you though. When she does, make sure you don't ruin your chance and follow these steps to make her want you as the mountain in her life again. Click this video here, and if you don't see a video yet, that means you're early to the channel, so click subscribe and stay tuned.